Hey everybody, what's going on? Ashar Viper here, and today I'm playing White Noise, first time playing it. So, I heard from my friend Mangy Moss that it's like Slenderman, but instead of getting pages, you have to get tapes. So, let's see. Let me turn down my volume a little bit. White Noise Online. Okay, let's see. So, I heard it's supposed to be like a scary game. And I don't know what I'm actually supposed to do. So let's load it up. Okay, so... Oh, Jesus. Oh, God! Let's see. Beautiful sky. I hear noises and wind. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I know my brother played it. Let's follow this pathway. I don't know why I'm going to do this, but I'm going to do it. So LT's the run, just in case you got. Oh crap! Holy! Oh fudge! Fudge this! Fudge this, man. Oh, God. What the? Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Well, guys, that's the game. Oh, my effing God. Okay, so this game is very scary. So if you download it, you know to stop when you see that green pole and be prepared for that alien. I don't have the full version of this, but I will get it soon, so I'll do another video on it. And this has been Ashar Viper, and peace out.